guys, gagawin na ni Leyna. Sorry guys, si Leyna yung dito, yung nasa TikTok, yung Aleyna Plays Talker.
Oh my gosh, you peed yourself? What? No, my water broke.
Guys,
Oh my. Part 4. Honey, do you need anything? No, I think I'm fine. Oh my gosh.
yan guys si Leyna,
I
diba?
literally feel like doing nothing. Well, that's alright, honey. I'll go over here. Alright, I'll just be sitting. And okay, it looks like everything is finally set up. It's super duper clean, as you see. We have pool toys, and I think everything's ready. I can't wait to have a cookout in this backyard. Or should I say balcony? It's gonna be epic. Anyways, I'm gonna sit out here. It's really nice today. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling really sick all of a sudden. But it should be nothing. I'm just gonna go see where Max went. Oh my gosh, I'm all out of breath all of a sudden. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh. Max! Oh my gosh! What happened? Here I come. Oh no, hopefully she's okay. Honey, what's wrong? Oh my gosh. You peed yourself? What? No, my water broke. Oh my gosh. What do I do? I'm gonna call an ambulance for you. But no, I need to get to the hospital. You could just drive me. No, I can't. There's no one here to watch the kids. The nanny's off today. Okay, yeah, call the ambulance. Wait, I didn't pack a hospital bag. There's nobody to watch you guys. Sibling? Kind of. Not really. Well, we're gonna have a ton of fun. We can play board games or any games. You guys can get whatever food you want. We're not getting 200 pizzas though. It was 20. Well, yeah, we're not getting 20. We're getting 2. If you guys want that, of course. Okay. Alright, well, we're gonna head over to the hospital. Alright, we're gonna head over to the hospital. Alright, sweeties. You keep me updated, okay? Yep, I will, Mom. Come on, kids. Alright. At the hospital. Jeez, can you, turn up the thermostat or turn it down? It's so hot.
Okay, so that's Aleyna Plays Talker. So yeah. So yeah. Nighttime later. I think we're going to sleep now here. Okay, now I'm just going to sleep now.
Hindi kaysa doon sa estudyante table pen. Hindi kaysa doon sa estudyante gaganti. Teacher din ako. Kasi gaganti.
Binibiro ko na yung anak ko. Nung panahon ng high school, yung anak ko ngayon, mga 2007, 2005. Abay, sabihin nila sa mga pag-project ay pinggan, 6 na piraso, awong. Sabi ko yung ginagawa sa kanila.
Huh?
Abay, sabi siya na yung ginagawa. Abay, sabi ko yung ba?
Water breaks. So loud, Mom! Oh my goodness. Oh my god. She's getting to labor. Oh my god. Who wants to come with me? Me. Me too. But only 2. Only me. Okay. Come on, let's go. Oh, MJ.
napabili ko. Dahil po yung
Oh my God. Why is green? Why is green?
yung kung gate na pula, ay pumasok po kayo doon. Kasi kakanan po kayo. Nakakita po kayo dito may bahay.
Okay, let's go. Guys,
Dalawang bahay.
get into the sitting room. Okay, I'm gonna sit here. Me too. Okay, now we need to go now. Need to get this to Leva. Oh my God. Getting this to Leva. Just put it on there.
Hindi po kami inform pagkabo sa Jacob. Kung yung talayo ng ayan.
Graduating. Dapat ay reputuan.
So guys, i-stop ko muna kasi siya kukunin ko kasi yung baby. Okay, so I'm back.
There's a Miranya. Nini, I love you. Goodbye. Ay, dyan na muna. Si Larmela, sino? Marisa. Oo nga. Hola.
Tissues all fixed.
Saan nga mo may parcel minsan binayaran ko? Ay, mabibi yata dito.
Po. Saka ako'y nakasala rin dito. Ahan eh. Wala akong parceling natin eh.
I totally forgot the Cooper and I totally forgot Cooper and Da. That's the name of it. I can't believe it. Okay, I forgot the Cooper and Julia. So I totally forgot this too. Okay. So, kunwari is tulog pa yung mami, tapos pati yung daddy is inaano na sila sa 2 floor. Guys, comment down below kung gusto niyo mag-ano na ako sa karaoke. Oh my God.
Oh, baby! Calling you.
Nagulang mo na, ibibig ka pa rin.
Huwag ka umalis muna.
Taxi care.
Nene, ito na yung kana.
Ano yan? Balot mo. Ito po.
Yung pinagawa mo.
Sige,
Erin ako.
kay Tia Amel. Taxi care. What?
Set. Trabaho nga din.
Bumili na yung hindi water base. Ang pangkami daw po hindi yan. Oo, hindi.
Let's change her up.
Parila ang water base.
Sabi tani. yung pangkahoy.
Quick dry.
Na, na tubig ang inilalagay. Yun daw ay pang
Dry.
ano lang. Kasi may
Isang oras din ang oras.
yan, yung mga rolis na dati mo. Ang uso.
Ano ay, nilat naman yung tubig ng ko na. Kaya nagtulo.
Bye ladies and gentlemen. Nandiyan na yung aking taxi cab.
Hindi ko na sabihin.
Ah,
Ay, scary.
ito nga pala yung papatid. Ano eh?
Hindi nga. Basta sa mga motor nila.
Kaya ito dapat nabibihan. Kaya sabi,
Si Rolly. Ayaw tapos ito kapag dala. Nalaro mo rin siya kapag dala. Wako.
Tanong yung aking binato.
Masarap daw eh.
So, yun lang po. Wala nang mga parts. Bye.